Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a UI image on a Unity canvas, stretch to fit the whole screen, but maintain its aspect ratio. Let's get right into it. So, you've got a game with a UI canvas, and the background looks fine when it's in a normal aspect ratio that isn't too wide. However, if we go to a really wide aspect ratio, the image doesn't stretch out enough, and therefore you can see stuff you shouldn't be seeing. I'm going to show you a really quick fix. So firstly, make sure you've got a canvas set up that has scale with screen size, and your screen match mode should be match width or height. The match doesn't matter at all. And then you want to have the UI image be a child of this canvas. So on your UI image, you're going to want to click on Add Component. Then type in aspect, and then click on aspect ratio fitter. Then you want to click on the drop down box and click on envelope parent. And that's all you need to do. Now you may want to tweak the aspect ratio in this field here. I recommend putting the aspect ratio to be whatever the aspect ratio is of your original UI image. So since mine is 1280 by 720, I'm going to do 1.78, as that's a 16:9 aspect ratio. And if we look at some other resolutions, as you can see, it's still working as intended. And if we go back to the simulator and then go into the scene view, what's going on is, it's stretching the game out to fit the entire screen, but it's cutting off parts of the image so it can maintain an aspect ratio. Like how this image was fitting in a 4:3 screen before. And this is a really simple way to make sure your background scales for awkward aspect ratios. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.